Hey y'all, Bridget Bartlett here. Today I am going to show you something super cool, but my intro is not quite working right. So I want to make sure that you guys can hear me. It is Monday. I think my computer is still asleep. So you guys let me know in the chat if you can hear me. I would so appreciate that. Okay, so today, I'm going to show you all about a new software that I just discovered that I am so in love with. This is so cool, all of the things that it allows you to do. Okay, so I don't see any comments yet, so I just want to make sure that you guys can hear me. If you don't mind commenting, I see some people are joining us. So, yes, please let me know if you can. I'm going to go ahead and make sure to check on my phone as well because I just don't want to start going through this training and then you can't hear me. So, let me go into my YouTube channel here. You can hear me? Hello? Hey, Ray. Thank you so much, Charles. Okay, cool. All right, so today I'm going to show you all about Dubb, which is a software that I just discovered last week. I am so in love with this, and you're going to see why. Okay, now what you can do is install the extension, and you'll see this up here. And again, you guys definitely let me know if you can't hear me, because once I switch over into this and I start recording, it steals my mic, and you can tell I've been playing around with all of this. Thank you so much, Janai and Ray. Thank you, Liz. I appreciate it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and you can see here the extension. You can have the Google Chrome extension. There's also a desktop app. So if you're recording something that's not online, you do have these options here. You guys, we're going to be talking about this all week because there are so many cool things that you can do with this that I just could not fit it all into one training today. So what you want to do is basically you can record using the extension, or like I said, the desktop app. There's even a mobile app that you can use, and it will create all of the same effects that I'm going to show you today. Okay, so if I wanted to share my screen or tab or whatever, the camera there, you can see that I can choose all of those options. You guys still let me know if at any point you can't hear me. I appreciate it. But I can see this little microphone thing that's green, so that does let me know. So I can show you these options in here without diving into the recording. That's what I'm kind of trying to avoid, is actually doing the recording. But I wanted to show you here how this all works. So I'm going to go ahead and try. You guys just let me know if you can't hear me. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and choose what we want to share. I'm going to click share, and hopefully it doesn't steal my mic. So let me know if you can hear me here. But you'll see over here that we have the square option. So it allows you to, of course, you can change the color here to whatever you want. But it allows you all of those cool editing functions, which are so important. That was a really ugly color. Let's choose that one. It's so important to be able to use these types of functions when you are troubleshooting, when you are doing sales and all of that, right? So you can see here, we can like circle things. We can create lines if we need to. We can actually create arrows like this. Thank you so much, you guys. I really appreciate it. Okay. We can also add text. So if I want to say, click here to access your bonuses. Okay, so we add the text there. We can also number things. So if you need to like click there and then click there, maybe step 3 is here, step 4 is here. You also can blur things out, which is really helpful. You can go ahead and draw things if I want to put my initials there. Of course, you can change the color there. You can choose these functions to like kind of free draw. You can go back, you can go forward, and of course you can delete all of that stuff. Okay, so that's super helpful. You can see your webcam down here. You can also, there is an option to create an avatar that will read the script. There's so many cool things. That's why I said I need to get into this whole week so that you can see. So you have all of those cool options there. Okay, now up here you can see how you can control everything. Pretty self-explanatory as far far as that goes. Now, what I want to do is stop sharing. Okay. So let's pretend that this is a sales video. You're helping a customer, or maybe you are providing support for your customers. This makes it so super easy to create that report. Now I'm going to dive into the actual dashboard here. And I want to go to videos, and you can see the videos that we've created. Okay. Now, when it loads up, I think it was a super long video here. So it's uploading. But you can see when you create that video that you will see it here. You'll also see it in your extensions. Okay. So you'll be able to share. So let's say that this was the video that I created and I wanted to share it. I can go ahead and just click copy. Okay. Now, when I click copy, you'll see here, let me open up an incognito window. Oops, not what I wanted. I want to copy to the clipboard. You'll see all of the options here. So you can copy the animated GIF, and then the thumbnail, the all of these things here. You can even download it. But I just want to copy that short URL because I want to show you what it actually looks like when you share it. You'll see that it automatically takes that video and it adds it onto a page that you can design with your logo and all of that. You'll also see that it has the video here, and then it will automatically play additional videos. And you can create multiple pages like this and be able to share the appropriate videos. For example, if this was like support, maybe I want to have like onboarding videos here, and I want to have like different support options. If this is sales, I can have my demos here. Like you see that we have two different plans. Do you want to become a reseller or all tools? So if this was a sales video, they would watch the video here, and then also it would autoplay the other demos. Of course, you can reply with a video. That's super helpful because if this was support or if it was sales, they would be able to easily click here and be able to respond to you. When they do that, your video will show up in the video replies here. So that's super cool. Now, going back here, just to show you inside of this video, once you actually create it, you'll see all of the options here. Of course, you can rename it if you want to. You can check all the email opens and all of that. I'll show you in just a second. You also can actually upload this directly to YouTube. It is super helpful if you guys are doing sales videos and different things like that, or testimonials for your business. You can actually just quickly upload those directly to YouTube. You also can create multiple, they call it presets, and that's basically the page that your video is going to go on. So if I was, let's say that I was wanting to promote Dubb, like as an affiliate, I have I can create this, or actually, let's go back here. I have a video here. I'll show you. So I have this sales video for Dubb, right? And if I want this to be, I don't want it to be my non-members. I don't want it to be support. This is just an affiliate offer that I want to share. Okay. So I can actually take this link right here. Again, I'll show you in incognito here. And then you'll be able to see that this is a different, and I can change the background and all of that, but you guys know I'm all about the purple and orange. So that you can have like different emoticons and different things like here. But you can see here, I have my affiliate link for Dubb, right? So you can see, especially with affiliate marketing, you can create all of these videos specific for your offer. And when you go to social media, you have the demo and the appropriate links. Now, what's cool is you can share these on social media. So if I was here and I was networking with someone and I wanted to show them this particular video, I can just copy the clipboard, and you'll see here it says, check out this video. You see the preview. With LinkedIn, there is actually an integration here. So you can just click here, and then it will show you all of your the videos that you have in the tab there as well. You'll also see if you have if you have it connected to Gmail, that you'll see that down there, and then you can access all of the videos as well. Now, what's super cool is also in HighLevel, you can just embed the videos. Okay, so I'm going to go here, and I want to choose. I'm sorry, I want to choose this one. So let's go copy to clipboard. Let me just paste this like it is, because honestly, I don't know what's going to happen. Okay, so here we go. So you just paste it like it is, and then we have this video here. So if I was to just send this, and go back to my videos, refresh. Now you'll see here's my subject, and then when they click the video, it'll play, and then, of course, we have all of these options here, okay? Now, what's super cool is let's go back now. Let's go back to the video that we created. I'm gonna click in here, and let's look at all the options that you have, okay? Because this is so much more than just like a quick video tool. You, of course, can rename it here. When you share, you can actually do the clipboard there. You can set default text here. What's cool is you can also use like the high level custom values. So if you wanted to say, for example, I typed in here, hey there, and then I'm using contact first name. I created this video for you, dot, dot, dot. And then when I can connect my own email, like your SMTP, you can choose the email here, or you can just copy this and then just paste it into the email. So if I go back here and I wanted to paste that, you'll see here it says, hey there, contact first name. I created this video for you. So if I sent that, you would see what it looks like here inside of the email. Hey there, I created it. Let's check this out as well. So we have the subject. So we have, hey there, Jane. I created this video for you. Okay. So it looks really good. What I wanted to draw your attention to is you can see the animation. So of course there's, sales strategies in this as well. So you can actually generate a custom preview. If you wanted to have like your hand waving, you can do that, of course. That makes it, there's lots of strategies and things like that. And you also have some advanced options. So if you are, using another platform and you want to optimize it for that platform, we really don't have to. For high level, but you could actually choose go high level there. If you're using that, you could optimize for Outlook. You could disable email tracking and so on. This does help you track all of your emails as well, and all of your opens, and it does integrate with high level. So when you have a new contact in high level, it will add a new contact into Dubb. You can see that you can individually send the emails as well. You can share on social media. So if I wanted to share this video, I just click here and then it automatically creates that post for me. You can see here the preview is going to be that animated GIF or image. And then you'll see the video title is the video title here. Okay. Now, when you go to, you can also embed this as well. And then you also have like a QR code that you can use. Okay. So super cool. Now down here, you'll see all of the analytics from this video. You can see the video watches and the watch time. You can see the click-through rates and all of that from this particular video. There's also options here that you can add details. You can also choose the calls to action, which you can customize. And again, we'll go through all of this week, adding your calls to action, creating all of your presets, which is, like I said, the page that your video goes on. You can add different tags. There's also the option here to create automations. So let's say that you wanted to create a workflow. So when they watch this video, a certain percentage, you can wait a day and send them an email. And all of that can actually be done directly here inside of Dubb. Okay. Um, Now here's the call to actions, like I said, and then there's some advanced options here that you can choose to display the animated thumbnail, autoplay, and so on. Okay. Now up here, you'll see that there are some video editing options, or editing rather. Um, Go ahead and let that load. Let me go over here to design. Here you can actually customize your thumbnail. So you can generate the thumbnail. You can upload your own thumbnail if you want to. You also, let's go back to page. You can also change the design of the page here. And this is on this particular video. You can change all of the colors there. You can upload your own background image. You can see that's mine there. And then you can even change the layout as well. All right. You have privacy settings. So this is super helpful. I know some of you guys want to create videos and you want to lock that down with a password. You can actually do that as well. And you can hide it from search engines if you wanted to do that. All right. Now here, you can also see the video replies as well. You can use this option to generate captions for your videos. And then here is where you can toggle between the different presets. Now, when you go to What was I just going to show you? Okay, so that's really the gist of the actual video editor. Now, when you go to the calls to action here, you'll see there's a video. It's super easy to create any call to action that you could possibly want. I'm just going to say test here. You can choose the owner of this particular call to action. So if you're working with team members, you can actually lock that down so that only you can see certain calls to action, or other team members can see that as well. You have the SI sales assistant. You can add the calendar, documents, emails, if you want them to email you directly, a form, and all of these other options here. Okay, so let's say if we wanted to add a video reply link, all we need to do is choose video reply. We can choose reply with video, reply video testimonial, send video message, or we could even choose custom text. So we could say, send us a video. And you would do save and close, and then now you have your call to action. So that's how simple that is to create. Okay. You do have your preset pages here as well. You can generate scripts for your videos. And you guys, this is so cool. Okay. When you create videos, and let me see. Okay. Here's what I wanted to show you. When you create videos, you have the option to do the webcam. Of course, you can do screen share, and you can also upload a YouTube video. Okay, so you can do that directly with the link. You can also upload a video file, and then it will add that to the page. You also have, and this is so cool, you also have the ability to do text to video. So if you're, in a hurry, or you're somewhere where there isn't great sound, you could create the text to video. So you could, create whatever you wanted to, and then you can choose from these different voices here, like this one, and then okay. So of course you could download the audio, you could upload another video if you want to. So you could do the text to speech like that. You do have a few advanced options here if you wanted to add the background and so on. You do have the ability to add an avatar as well. So let's see, if you wanted to choose maybe this person here, you could, of course, give it a title, tell it what you want it to say, and then you can preview this here. Okay. Super cool, you guys. So when you're using those videos, you can actually even use just a fake avatar here, or even someone else's voice. So many cool things that you can do. All right. Now, you do have a bio link that you can create as well. This will help you basically just like the bio links that we talk about in our program. You also can use AI. You have the AI assistant here, and it will help you create different scripts and things like that for your videos. So many cool things. We're going to dive into the rest of it this week. And I wanted to show you how you can send campaigns, build automations. We do have some CRM functionality here. There's the automations here. You have reporting for all of your video content that you can track, and all kinds of integration. So we'll go into all of that this week. But if you guys are interested in creating your own account, there is a free level. Let me bring up the page here. You can create a free trial as well, to check all of that out. But you want to go to, you see up here, actually, it's not even showing. Let me, right here. Oh, no. There we go. Sorry, you guys. I want to show you the right thing. Okay, up here. myvisionagency.com/Dubb. Okay. If you go there, you will be using my affiliate link. You can create a plan there, and then let me know what you think. You guys can see here also how you track the videos and the analytics and all of those things. You guys, If you're using processes like this, it will help you increase your sales like 100 to 300%. You can see for the reason of sales, but you can also see for the reason of supporting your customers and clients. This is definitely something you guys are going to be seeing me use in the future. So thank you all so much for joining me. And I will see you tomorrow, same time, same place. Go make your vision a reality. Bye. Thank you so much for joining us for today's training. If you have any questions, you can join us for open office hours starting right now at Bridget Bartlett.